वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Have you ever noticed something in life? We keep running after happiness, running away from pain, running to temples, gurdwaras, books, places, people, and still the mind feels restless. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Sri Darbar Sahib Amritsar gently asks us one powerful question. What exactly are you searching for truth? Because what if truth is not where we are desperately looking for? Hukamnama Sahib by Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji at tongue 952 of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Slok Mahalla Pehla. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Na sat dukhiya, na sat sukhiya, na sat pani jant fire. Which means there is no truth in suffering, there is no truth in comfort, there is no truth in wandering like animals through the water. Now in the next words, Guruji says, Na sat moond mudai kesi, na sat padya des fire, which means there is no truth in shavings one's head. There is no truth in studying the scriptures and wandering in the foreign lands. And this is shocking, right? We think suffering makes us spiritual. We think comfort makes us successful. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, neither guarantees truth. And then Guruji goes even deeper. Shaving the head, reading endless scriptures, traveling to far off places, and even punishing the body. None of these automatically lead to truth. Now the question is why? Because truth is not a costume you wear. Truth is not a location you travel to. Truth is not an act you perform. Truth is a state of inner clarity. I repeat, truth is a state of inner clarity. Now let's connect this to our daily life. We know people who fast regularly but stay angry, read holy books but judge everyone, travel to retreats but remain anxious, suffer silently and call it spirituality. Renunciation without understanding is just another escape. You can leave the world, but if the ego, fear, craving remain, if the ego, fear, craving remain, the world has not really left you. One of my clients, she said, I do everything right. I pray, I sacrifice, I suffer quietly. Why I am still unhappy? And the answer is very simple but uncomfortable, because truth doesn't grow in suffering. I repeat, truth doesn't grow in suffering. Truth grows in awareness. My dear friends, peace is not achieved by changing life situations, but by changing inner responses. You can be in the palace or a prison. If the mind is free, you are free. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji in this Hukamnama finally reveals the secret. Only the one whose heart is filled with Shabad is truly blessed. Not the one who looks spiritual, not the one who suffers more, not the one who knows more words, but the one whose heart is aligned. And then comes the most comforting verse here. सब कट मेरे हो सबना अंदर जिसे खुआई तिस कौन कहे, which means Almighty says, all hearts are mine and I am in all hearts. Who can explain this to one who is confused? Now, this simply means you are not disconnected, you are not lost, you are just confused. And once the path is shown from within, no one can mislead you again. So how do we use today's Hukamnama, this Hukamnama in our real life? This is very simple. Stop glorifying unnecessary suffering. Stop chasing outer validation in the name of spirituality. Stop running from place to place hoping life will change. Instead, observe your thoughts. Understand your fears. Clean your inner clutter. Let awareness guide your actions. Joy doesn't come from running away. Joy comes from coming home which is to yourself. So today Guru Sahib is lovingly saying, don't perform truth, don't suffer for truth, don't chase truth, live it by understanding yourself. Because when the Shabad lives in your heart, life stops being a burden and starts becoming a blessing. And if this touched you even a little, share it. Because someone out there is tired of running and needs this reminder. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Sarbatta Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.